Alright, let's take a look at this buck knife. Alright, made in the USA. That's it, the Buck Bantam BBW. And here it is, and it is lightweight. It weighs about 1.5 ounces. This buck right here, and then Buck USA right here on the blade. All right, 2 thumb studs, no pocket clip as you can see, which is good. This is a perfect backup type of knife. I typically carry at least 2 knives on me when I leave the house. Let's open that. It's pretty stiff. And here you see the model number, the 248. So the blade is 420 high carbon stainless steel. And old buck knives are very, very sharp when you get them. Unlike the China knives, these are very, very sharp. Okay. As you can see, it's very, very small. Now, there's a little pocket knife that I would not want to use for heavy duty work. A lockback system. This is definitely a great backup knife, that's for sure. So it comes in a couple of different colors. I believe it comes in orange, it comes in camo. I got this one for $17 in black off of Amazon. And I can already tell that I'm going to use this quite a bit. But I will keep you posted and let you know. As a lanyard hole right there, that is quite big for such a small knife. And as you see, it really is a small knife. But
You're always looking for the greatest outcome, but the best outcome is that everybody has a safe trip.
It is a quite good looking. For $17, this looks like it's going to be totally worth the money. I'll do a follow-up video after a while of using it and let you know what I think. See y'all later.